I recently received this ZIVOYCO overnight blowout. They are going to give me heatless curls, so I'm excited to try this out. I've never actually tried this. This is the first time, so I'm excited to see how it works, what's included. So let's take a look. So this is what the package looks like. I'm going to go ahead and open it. It is a heatless curling set. So I'm going to take it out of the package just to show you what they look like. Okay, first and foremost, I do appreciate that there is an instruction manual because, like I said, I've never used it, so I'm excited to give these a try. But I do like that this is included. It has steps 1 through 6, so it seems pretty simple to do. This is what they look like, so I'm going to go ahead and give you a close-up. They are pretty flexible, as you can see. They kind of like stay. Little fabric material, and then they have a hook like this on one side and then a hook like this on the other. So once you're ready, simply attach it and then it's going to stay like this. Included, you get a satin scarf, so I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the package. All right, take a look. It feels very nice and soft, so let's go ahead and give this a try. All right, y'all, it's the next morning. I'm not sure if I did this satin one correctly because it kind of like was falling off, so I kind of had to like keep putting it on throughout the night. But let's go ahead and take a look. This is the big reveal. I slept with these and they actually stayed on, as you could see. I mean, my hair's a little like messy, but it stayed on, and this one's kind of falling out. But let's take a look. All right, I went ahead and brushed it out a little bit. My hair had so much volume. All right, so my hair is definitely bouncy. It has a lot of volume, especially right here in the front part. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready. But overall, take a look. This is what it looks like. Actually, definitely curled it because my hair is not curly whatsoever, or it doesn't look like this in the morning. So this is definitely a plus. Overall, if you're looking for heatless curls, then I definitely recommend. I'm going to go ahead and continue to try. Like I said, it was my first time, so this is the aftermath of me trying it for the very first time. But overall, I like it. I like the bounce. Again, I do not wake up like this in the morning, so this is definitely a plus. If you want to check them out, I would definitely recommend, and they are available in a variety of colors.